Forklifts are one of the most powerful tools in any warehouse or factory. They can lift heavy loads, move them quickly, and save both time and human effort. But remember, this power comes with responsibility. Every year, thousands of accidents happen because of unsafe forklift use. Driving too fast, overloading, or ignoring safety rules can turn this useful machine into a dangerous one. That's why proper training is not just important, it's essential. A trained forklift operator knows how to balance the load, check the machine before use, and drive carefully in narrow spaces. Training also teaches you how to protect not only yourself, but also your coworkers walking nearby. The advantages of using a forklift the right way are huge. Faster operations, reduced risk of injuries from manual lifting, and a safer workplace overall. But without training, the same forklift can cause damage to goods, accidents on the floor, or even life-threatening injuries. So the message is simple. Respect the forklift, respect the rules. Always wear safety gear, check your surroundings, and never operate without proper training. Because safety is not just about following rules, it's about protecting lives.